Welcome back. Today I'm introducing TrustCore, our latest addition to the MULTOS TrustAnchor range of IoT security development kits. TrustCore consists of a new board carrying the MULTOS TrustAnchor chip, a ready program security application, and a bundle of open source software which is primarily for the Raspberry Pi. TrustCore's purpose is to provide easy-to-use strong cryptography in a highly secure hardware root of trust. It is designed to plug directly into a Raspberry Pi or Arduino, and it will work with other microcontrollers too. Two main APIs are provided: our own custom API for TLS and DTLS 1.2 crypto functions, and a subset of the de facto HSM API, PKCS11. In the box you have a quick start guide which tells you how to connect the board and where to go to get hold of the software needed. Also in the box, of course, you've got the board itself. These are the pins along the top here for the Raspberry Pi, and the bent pins along the bottom are for the Arduino. On the box you'll notice that it has the AWS IoT Qualified Device logo. That is because TrustCore has been tested and approved by Amazon as being interoperable with AWS IoT Greengrass. TrustCore is unique in such devices in offering not only private key storage, signing and signature verification, but amongst other possibilities, the ability for devices to encrypt data at source and at rest. In the next video, I'll show you how to get up and running on a Raspberry Pi. See you then.